The tale of Chainsaw Cecil, thin man with neon veins sat in the monster garage. He wore a hard hat, an apron covered in oil and blood. When the engines rose, the chains rattled. Prepare for the gore. Here he comes, it's Chainsaw Cecil with his shades on, looking for some fun. It's Chainsaw Cecil. Smell of rust and flesh, hellbilly mad doctor getting screams fresh in a dungeon cell. Chainsaw Cecil with his shades on, looking for some fun. Chainsaw Cecil. Chainsaw Cecil with his shades on, looking for some fun. Chainsaw Cecil. Cecil with his shades on, looking for some fun.